Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love 2017 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.